Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to make rose water at home and how you can use it as a eye wash or eye drop to ease out any sort of eye related issue. Also, I use it as a face toner. So yes, try this recipe. So get the rose petals. I got this rose petals from my garden, from a special variety of rose plant which is Desi Gulab. It is often used in Ayurveda for its own healing purposes. Wash the rose petals nicely as it is exposed to pollution and dust. Rose water has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat variety of condition including eye irritation, and it's really good for your skin. Once the rose petals are washed properly, then I take a glass of water. According to the quantity of rose petals I have, I adjust the portion of the water. Whenever my eyes are tired, I usually go for natural eye wash. I have shared many other recipes for natural eye wash. Go and explore it. You will find them in my playlist under eye health section. So once the water is boiled properly, I'm going to add this washed rose petals in it and allow it to steep for about 15 to 20 minutes. There are many benefits of using rose water as an eye wash. It will help to soothe your eye irritation as it contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to reduce redness and irritation in the eyes. It may be particularly helpful for people with dry eyes or those who suffer from allergies. It also has antibacterial properties that can help to protect the eyes from infections. This is especially important for people who wear contact lenses or who are prone to eye infection. The antioxidant properties of rose water helps to protect eyes from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Rose water has hydrating properties that will help to moisturize your eyes and prevent dryness. The aroma of rose water has some sort of calming effect on your mind and body. So using rose water as an eye wash may help to promote relaxation and reduce stress. After 20 minutes of steeping rose petals into water, the water will be cooled down and it's ready. You can filter it the way I'm doing it right now. And you can see the beautiful color of this rose water, which is freshly prepared, naturally prepared at home, free from preservatives. You can store it into refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days. Usually I take an eyedropper and use this rose water as an eye drop. Close your eyes for about 1 or 2 minutes. Allow the rose water to do its magic. You can also use this rose water as an eye wash. You can get the eye cup from the market. It is easily available, but here I'm using this glass small container and it is perfect for my eye size. So I fill these two containers with rose water and allow my eyes to sink into it, and then I blink my eyes inside it, and I do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Rose water is also good for your skin and hair. It will help to soothe the irritated skin, and it is especially useful for the people who have sensitive skin. It is natural humectant, which means it helps to lock in moisture and keep the skin hydrated. You can also use some cotton pad and soak it into the rose water and place it on your eyes to immediately feel the benefit. It helps to cool down and soothe the eye irritation. It can also be used as a face toner and has great beauty benefits. Since it has antibacterial properties, it is also useful in reducing acne and prevent further infection. It has anti-aging properties, which will help to delay the aging and reduces the sign of aging. Rose water can also help to tighten and tone the skin, reducing the appearance of pores and giving the skin a more youthful appearance. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button down below and do share this video with your friends and family. You can comment down below the topics that you would like me to cover in the future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Keep smiling. Bye.